Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are wondering where I am right now, I'm literally in my most favorite place on earth. It's literally my most favorite place on earth and I'm not even exaggerating because I'm in Painch National Park right now. And if you guys don't know where this is, basically it's a forest in India which is literally my favorite forest ever. I've come here like twice already, once when I was like 11 and once when I was like 16, and it's really one of my favorite forests ever because if you guys don't know, I literally love wildlife, I love animals, and I love nature so much. And this is literally the most perfect place for me, and literally I've come here so many times because it gives me such good vibes. And like the villas over here are so cute, they're like in the middle of the forest, and like I don't know, I just really love this place so much. And now after 9 months of like staying at home, finally I got out of the house with my family and we've come for this trip, and I'm really excited because it's literally my favorite place on earth. And we literally just like reached here like a few hours back. Like we landed here a few hours ago and then we just got to our resort, like the lodge, a few hours ago. I'm staying in Taj Bagwan Safari Lodge. And yeah, so it's really beautiful, this whole place, and there's so much greenery everywhere and the vibe is so cool. And that's why I just want to show you guys my villa tour, to show you guys where I'm staying in this lodge right now, just to show you guys like this place because it's really my favorite place on earth. So there are two villas and I've got the villa number 12 because my family is staying in the other villa right now, and that's really super awesome because I've got my own villa to myself. But let me just show you guys the room where I'm staying this time, in Taj Bagwan Safari Lodge. So when you enter this like mini room over here, which is just like a normal mini room. It's got like a lantern there and it's just like a normal room. Like there's really nothing that special about it, but I really like it because it has a window. And if you guys don't know, I literally love it when like these houses have windows where you can just see nature outside. Like I would love to just sit here and look outside at the view of the trees and everything. Like I just love greenery and nature so much. But yeah, so there's nothing really special about this room, but let's head to the next room. And wait, let me lock the door first. I don't want any creepy crawlies or animals like insects or anything getting into my room. So yeah. So when I move on, this is the bedroom, and I love the bedroom so much. It's genuinely a really cool bedroom because the bed is so huge, and every time I come to stay here, I love this room. It's genuinely like a very huge room, and it gives like a very luxurious vibe. I mean, luxurious in the forest. Like we're staying in a forest, so you need to literally remember that. But this is the bed, and it's really cool. And that's a mirror. And let me just show you guys my outfit. This is like my outfit, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know where my Tommy Hilfiger bag is. I must have left it somewhere. But this is what I wore, and I'm wearing my new shoes that I haven't worn ever. I got them from Tommy Hilfiger a few days back. But yeah, so this is the room, and this is the bed. And that's not even the best part, you guys, because when you guys look at the other side of the room, this is the view. And this is honestly so perfect for me, you guys, because I love nature so much. And just imagine waking up in the morning and just looking out at this beautiful balcony view. And let me just show you guys how beautiful it is over here. Oops, wait, I don't know how to open this. Okay, so when you open it, this is literally the balcony, and it's fucking gorgeous. Like honestly, you guys, this balcony is so cute, and like it's in the middle of nature, and I love the way it's made because everything's like so cool. And like I don't know, I just love the vibe of the whole thing. And when you walk to this part, like I don't know, this is like the whole balcony, and like you can just sit here and like eat breakfast or like eat lunch or like eat dinner or like just like have green tea or whatever you want, or like coffee. And then when you come over here, this is like the beautiful forest view. Like my entire view is literally this forest, and I love that so much because this forest is like so beautiful. And like we already saw, I'm not even lying, we saw like a pack of like 5 jackals over here. And when I asked like the nature guide like whether that was a jackal, he literally said that there's like a pack of 7 jackals that live in and around this lodge. So that's like so cool that you can literally sit in your room and see 7 jackals outside. Like that's literally so weird. I saw 5 jackals though, but still. And basically when you go like from the right from here, the washroom is there, and the washroom is like, I don't know, it's normal. So this is the door to the washroom, and it's really cool. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. And this is so cool because it's literally in the middle of a forest, you guys. So over here you have my favorite Forest Essential soaps. Like I literally have used all of the Forest Essential soaps, like almost. Like I've used so many, not all obviously, but I've never heard of the honey and vanilla one. So that's pretty cool. And then when you go here, this is the indoor shower, which is like pretty cool. And then that's the outdoor shower. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest. I'm probably not gonna do the outdoor shower, because I don't know. I just don't feel like doing it, but it's a pretty cool thing that they literally have an outdoor shower. You can have a shower in the privacy of literally your own villa, and yeah, no one can see you. But yeah, and that's the washroom, and I really love it because it's so cool. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up, except for the machan. That part's left. And when you keep walking ahead, so basically there's a staircase. When I keep walking ahead, there's a balcony, and then there's a staircase, and let me just show you guys. There's the staircase, and when you walk up, this is my favorite part of the villa, by the way, you guys. Like, this is my absolute favorite part. Because when you walk up, this is the machan. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's like this mini rooftop sort of thing, which is so beautiful. And it's on the first floor over here. And it has such a beautiful view of the forest nearby. And yeah, it's really good for spotting animals if you want to see animals. Like, you can see a lot of birds. Probably you would even be able to see monkeys. I haven't seen a monkey yet, but I did see a pack of 5 jackals. So I'm sure you can see like a good amount of animals from here. But yeah, so this is the machan, and I really like it because, like, especially after traveling today after so long, like, I was so tired and I can't wait to just like lie down over here. And I love the machan because it even has curtains, so like there's even privacy if you want. Like, you can just shut the curtains and just chill here. And like, I'm gonna probably watch like Homeland or like, I don't know. There's so many shows that I'm watching at the moment. Like, I love Homeland. I love like How to Get Away with Murder. I love I don't know. There's so many shows. RuPaul's Drag Race is always gonna be like my favorite, like, funny show. Like, if I want to watch something chill and funny, I'm gonna watch RuPaul's Drag Race. But I don't know why I said that right now. But I just really love that show. But you guys, I genuinely love this machan so much. And like, after traveling today, I can't wait to lie down. Wait, my hair looks funny. Yeah, this is better. Honestly, you guys, I love this villa so much. And my first safaris today, and the safaris are like, I think 2:30 or 3 p.m. So I'm really excited to see animals. And if you guys don't know, I love seeing animals. So I really, fingers crossed, I hope I see tigers, I hope I see leopards, I hope I see sloth bears, wolves, jackals, more jackals, wild dogs, foxes, hyenas. I hope I see every animal that's literally there in Pinch, because I have a good number of safaris. Like, I'm literally I might, it might sound insane because people usually when they go to forest they go for like 3 to 4 safaris, but I literally have like 7 safaris planned here, and then I'm going to Tadoba National Park. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. But like, honestly, you guys, I really love this villa, and I hope you guys like this video because I'm gonna be uploading a lot more videos in Pinch and then in Tadoba, because I'm here for like I'm here for a few days and I'm doing like a lot of safaris, so might as well vlog and show you guys my safaris because I love animals and safaris and wildlife and nature so much, you know. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then hit the like button below, comment down below what videos you guys want me to make in the future. And yeah, keep tuned because I'm going to be uploading more videos of my safaris, like what animals I see, like just to show you guys my safaris, and like in Painch and then in Tadoba, and like even in general I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos even when I'm back in Mumbai. If you guys like this video, then subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be making a lot more videos, like more makeup videos, more videos of everything when I'm back in Mumbai, because like, I don't know, I'm really lazy about my YouTube channel, so I want to like start uploading a lot of videos. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and this was just like a short simple room tour and just like ranting to you guys because I just like literally landed and checked into my hotel, so I'm lazy. But my next video is probably going to be the safaris and the animals I see, and the next probably few are going to be the safaris and then the Tadoba National Park safari. So I hope you guys like my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.